In this video, I will show you how to install your own LLM as ChatGPT alternative locally on your PC. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. LLaVA is a free and open-source GPT-4-like tool that you can use as an AI chatbot just like ChatGPT. Here I will show you how to install it and then use it to answer questions related to almost everything. Let's get started. To use this, we will use Google Colab. Or, if you have a capable PC with good hardware configuration, then you can install it on that. From the GitHub link in the description, click on this fourth link and then it will take you to Google Colab. Now, make sure you are signed into your Google account. After that, you simply need to execute the first cell. Click on the play button to do that. Wait for it to execute fully. It will take some time. Next, you need to run all the cells and wait for the gradio link to appear. After a few seconds, gradio link will appear like this. Click on it and then the web interface of LLaVA will open. Make sure the model is available on the top left side. You can now start the chat. But before that, you can tweak the chat parameters here such as temperature, max token, etc. Start asking the simple questions and then it will answer them accordingly. You can ask questions related to a specific subject as well. It is quite capable of giving correct answers to complex problems as well. Another cool thing you can do in this LLM is ask questions to an image. Upload an image and then ask a question. It will analyze the image and will answer your questions accordingly. This is it. This way, you can now easily run and use your own personal LLM as ChatGPT alternative. If you found this video helpful, then check out more tech videos on our channel. Thanks for watching.